Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. New video today, second video after the Bitcoin video, and today, well, now we are doing 1 inch. Why? It's pumping 25% up. It did very well yesterday as well when everything was going down, so I thought why not do 1 inch today and talk about it. We are not all the way there where we should be, but it's looking better than it used to look. So let's get into charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger, and see what's happening. So basically the first thing we're gonna start talking about is this area over here that I drew like on the 17th of February when you were over here. That's when I drew this area, and you can see that this area actually held over here on the way up. It was some kind of resistance area that I feel that we should be breaking it. Now it doesn't come from the closes or wicks or anything, it actually comes from the moving averages. If you watch the last 1 inch video, you will not understand what I'm talking about. There was some moving averages going over on this line, and I said we gotta get above that level, and we tried over here, couldn't, went down, tried to get above those levels again, couldn't, and we went down. So also right now this area created this very nice resistance up here that we have to break at 512. So that's what we're actually trying to do right over here. There are some positive things about this. This support over here that's been holding for like forever, you can see it here. It started, made the support up here, went down. A lot of weeks were hitting the support and trying to break it. Here it broke it. Luckily for us, we got the engulfing bullish candle, got above that, and up here, and then Bitcoin started doing its thing, you know, and then we broke for the second time the 4.6 line, and after that, like, it dropped really hard. You can see these wicks, you see these wicks over here, and this is third line. So after the breaking on the 4.6, it was definitely a downtrend. Now we have turned around and we are actually going up. So yesterday and the day before we did not up that much, and yesterday we actually started going quite nicely up, and today was a very nice pump today up. So this also tells me, considering how badly other altcoins have been doing, that 1 inch is actually going to perform very well once the Bitcoin changes its direction. So what we want to see today, or not today, what we want to see today on the moving averages, for one, is this 20 moving average over here. You can see here the 20 moving average actually held where this resistance was. So we are trying to break the 20 moving average. We couldn't, got rejected on the 20 moving average, right? Got support on the 50 moving average and bounced up. So we want actually to see the close above the 4.8 line over here, above that, and stay above the 20 moving average. If we can do that, we are in the green. We are in the green, like all the way in the green. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that has to happen. But I won't do the same mistake that I did over here 11th February, because here, I don't know if you recall that video, we are going to say the Bitcoin is, sorry, 1 inch is going to explode if it passes this all-time high, if it closes above the all-time high. So I said tomorrow it's going to explode, because we are just above the line, on the line when I was making the video. I was expecting it to go above it, right? It never did. So I'm not going to do the same mistake and say like we're going to explode tomorrow, because we can just close below it and start going back down again, right? Also, after that 11th February video, on the 12th February, we had the airdrop that messed a lot of things up, and we started going to downtrend. So right now there are two important resistances that we have to hold and break. That's the 4.6 line over here and the 20 moving average on the daily. So if we can, especially the 20 moving average on daily, if we can hold the 20 moving average on daily, we are in the green, like all the way in the green. I know we are not broken all this part over here, but we are above the 20 moving average, and that's very bullish, especially on the daily, right? After that, we should look to break the 5.1 line over here in this small area over here, and get above that, because that's been holding us back for a long time. Just looking on the daily, it does not actually look that good. It doesn't actually look that good. This was some kind of high. This looks like it's gonna be a lower high. This was some kind of low. It looked like this was some kind of low. So entire thing is actually some kind of big daily downtrend, but we are trying to get out of it. It looks better, but we are not quite there yet. It looks better. Keep remembering yourself on that. So now we're gonna look at this part over here that's happening right now and how we are getting out of it. And this to me looks like some kind of a some kind of a channel right over here that's happening right now. It goes something like this, and you can see it nicely that this looks like some kind of channel. Wait, let me put it like all the way down, maybe down here. Okay, I'm gonna go this. Okay, let's put it like this. It looks like some kind of channel on the upside. We got the lows, higher low, and high, higher high, higher high. So it looks the channel is performing very well. Will it get resisted up here or not? That remains to be seen. But again, as I said, we have to break the 20 moving average on the daily. Now on the daily, there's a very bullish MACD that's forming right now over here on the daily. We tried to get a bullish cross over here, couldn't. We are going further down, and now we are trying to get a bullish cross again. So if we can close above the 20 moving average, the bullish cross might actually happen. These are all assumptions, and like I said in a previous Bitcoin video, assumptions are bad for you and bad for everybody, so we don't want to assume anything because it can backfire very hard. All I want to say now is we are on the verge of a time shift. We have to break the moving average, the 20 moving average. Let's see where the 10 moving average is all the way down here, so that would be a good start. But if we can keep above the 20 moving average, and 20 moving average right now is at let me put the number down for it so you can see it, 4.8. If we can hold above 4.8 at the end of the day, that means in what's that, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 hours. After 6.5 hours, if we can close this candle above the 4.8, I'm gonna be super bullish on the on a 1 inch. Even though if it starts going a little bit back down, if we can hold the 20 moving average, that's the alpha and omega. That's what counts for 1 inch right now. We have to keep that level over there. After that, you preferably want to break the this level over here at 5.1, and after that, we have to look for these levels up here at what's this level? Top level is at 5.8, of course, but this one over here is at 5.7. So there are resistances on the way up, but it is performing good. It is doing what it should be doing. It's got support on the 50, so we know that. So now it's bouncing off. If it closes below the 20, what you can expect after that is some kind of a triangle formation over here forming, I think, going something like this. Maybe not, I don't know. That's also assumption, and as I just said, assumptions are bad for you. So only thing we're gonna focus today on is closing above the 20 moving average. If we do that, we golden. Wait, we golden. Yeah, that's it. This is the button I wanna click. Now it's your turn to like the video, to subscribe to the channel if you like the video, and we're gonna do one more video today, I think, about something else. So be sure to catch that. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Channel is growing, not by that much, but it's growing. It's all good. See you later today. Bye bye.